Hello friends, this is Sid and welcome back to our channel TechView. There are many new YouTubers who doesn't know about copyright and how to check copyright strike on their channel. So this video all about how to check copyright strike on your channel. So friends, let's get started. First of all, you have to go to the browser and then go to YouTube. In the top right corner, you can see your channel logo. Just click on your channel logo and go to YouTube Studio. Okay. Here in left bottom corner you can see setting icon. Click on this icon and it will open a pop-up. Here as you can see many options. Click on channel, go to the advanced setting tab and scroll down. In the other channel setting section, click on YouTube account. Just click on it. If you redirect to the YouTube app, then close it and hold on it and open in incognito tab. Type your email and password here. The link will redirect you to this page. Here in the your account section, click on view additional features. Okay, as you can see here, there is no copyright strike on my channel and there is no community guidelines strike on my channel. So if you get any strike, then count will be show here, or community guidelines strike count will be show here. So let's talk about what is copyright strike and what is a community guideline strike. When you get a copyright strike on your channel, it means copyright owner sent a legal complaint against your video to YouTube. If you get any copyright strike on your channel, then how to resolve it? There are 3 ways to remove a copyright strike from your channel. First is you have to wait 90 days. It will automatically remove from your channel. Second is contact the copyright owner. And third is if you thought your video is mistakenly removed from your channel, you can claim to YouTube to restore your video. Let's talk about community guidelines strike. When you upload any violence video or adult video on your YouTube channel, then you get a community guidelines strike. When you get first community guideline strike, you can do anything for first week, and when you get second community guideline strike, you can do anything for 2 weeks, and when you get 3 community guideline strike, then your channel will permanently removed from YouTube. When you get first or second community guideline strike, then you can wait 90 days. It will automatically removed from your channel. Like copyright strike will also automatically removed from your channel within 90 days. So friends, this is all about community guideline strike and copyright strike, and how can you check on your channel, and where can you find copyright strike on your channel. So if you like this video, please share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.